So these are some neck stretches that will encourage mobility in the cervical region or the neck region. So number one, we call this yes, no, maybe. I don't want you to push past any point of pain, but just work comfortably. So the first one, yes, to the point where you kind of either full range like I'm doing now, or say you feel pain here, don't go past that point. Just hit it and come back down. So yes, no, maybe. So each of those ranges, I want you to do a couple of times. The second one is called funky chicken. So you're going to keep your neck facing forward, your nose facing forward and rotating clockwise and counterclockwise. And you're going to kind of explore the full range of motion here. It looks a little bit ridiculous, so maybe do this one in private. But you're going to try to get as far as you can, clockwise and counterclockwise. The last one you're going to do, you're going to put your hand behind your back, and whichever direction your fingers are pointing, so this is my right arm pointing left, you're going to tilt your head to the left. And you'll feel the stretch right down through here from the neck down into the shoulder blade. You can hold that for 10, 15 seconds, and then opposite side as well. Just hold for 10, 15 seconds. If there's one side that's giving you more trouble than the other, obviously focus on that side. As a bonus one, neck retractions. So you're going to kind of tuck your chin, form a double chin, and just kind of hold that for a couple seconds. But only do that if it's pain-free. The other three exercises you can do to try to increase your ranges of motion. This neck retraction is going to try to strengthen these muscles deep in here and try to put your neck in a better position moving forward. Give those a try and let me know how that goes.